What's up everyone, it's Tatiana here and I'm back with another video. So I want to share an update on my protective style. So since you've seen me last, it's been 10 days. I make sure that I kept my hair and scalp moisturized with the Hair Growing Hands the Drip. I made sure I had it all over my hands as well before I started this takedown process, just so that it helps eliminate as much frizz as possible. Some areas didn't come out as defined as I would like, but trial and error, it overall turned out fairly well. So I continued this process of unraveling the hair at the bottom and just trying to fluff it up and trying to see what shape it was going to take. Sometimes your hair doesn't fall the same way every day, so just wanted to see how this was coming out for myself. That area there I was having some issue with. I have some split ends that need to be trimmed, so it's kind of unruly. And I continue to just feel around my head and see if I felt any twists that weren't unraveled. So now I've completed the process of unraveling out my hair. It was pretty well defined and I was pleased with the style. So I had to figure out what options I was going to wear to work the next day. And as I shared in a previous video, make sure you pull all your hair up with a satin scrunchie and have a satin bonnet to cover and protect your hair. So this is the next day. Your hair never falls the same. So I figured something out how I wanted to wear it. And I went to work. Pretty warm, humid day. And when I took a photo to share how my hair looked at lunchtime. Then after work, I took another photo. But it maintained pretty well. So thank you all for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you can get real-time alerts when new content is uploaded. Thank you so much again for watching.